I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and a clean workspace so you don't introduce extra noise later. Once you've documented your layout, remove all keycaps and test each switch sound with a light press to locate loud areas. Make sure to note stabilizer keys, space, enter, shift, because they need separate attention. You're not just disassembling, you're diagnosing where rattles and ping originate, so the next steps directly target the loudest sources, instead of wasting time on irrelevant mods. Now you perform the core sound reduction mods that actually change acoustics. First, disassemble switches if hot swap or remove springs for lubing. Apply a thin, even coat to stem rails and spring to stop scratchy noise. Next, place closed cell foam between PCB and case and under the plate to absorb reverberation. This removes the hollow ping. Once done, fit O-rings or silicone dampeners beneath keycaps to soften bottom-out impact, and treat stabilizers with lubricant and clipping for even. You finish by carefully reassembling everything and testing in real use. Once reinstalled, type sentences and listen for remaining hotspots. If a single key still rattles, remove its cap and add a thin neoprene strip or extra foam patch under the plate there. Make sure screws are snug but not over-tightened to avoid panel stress. If sound is worse, backtrack, remove newly added layers one at a time to find the culprit. This single troubleshooting tip prevents overmodding and restores control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.